Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. In this video we learn the animal names. The first one is a panda. P is for panda. This is a panda. The next one is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. G is for giraffe. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a cheetah. This is a cheetah. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a peacock. This is a peacock. The next one is a parrot. This is a parrot. The next one is a rhino. This is a rhino. This is a deer. D is for deer. The next one is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. This is a rooster. R is for rooster. Bye bye, toddlers.